Welcome to our intergalactic journey through time. Buckle up and get ready to blast off into the universe before the Big Bang. Do you think there were stars and galaxies, or was it just a black void? Drop your theories in the comments below. As we all know, the Big Bang Theory may be the widely accepted beginning of the universe, but what happened before that is still a cosmic mystery. In this video, we're going to dive into the science behind the universe before the Big Bang. One theory is that there was absolutely nothing before the Big Bang. No space, no time, nothing. Can you imagine? It's like the universe hit the reset button and started from scratch. This idea is called the emergent universe hypothesis, and it's definitely a head-scratcher. But it's tough to test this theory with observational evidence. Another possibility is that the universe was in a state of cosmic inflation before the Big Bang. Think of it like a balloon inflating really quickly, except the universe was the balloon. The universe was expanding at an insanely fast pace, driven by a hypothetical field called the inflaton, before slowing down to form the universe we know today. But how did this inflation happen, and what came before it? These are still mysteries scientists are working to unravel. But hold on to your space helmets because there's more. Some scientists believe in the existence of a multiverse, a plethora of universes with different laws of physics and forms of matter. Who knows, maybe there's another universe out there where the sky is pink, and the aliens have 3 eyes. However, this idea is still being debated and researched by the scientific community. So there you have it. The universe before the Big Bang is a mystery that continues to intrigue us all. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we may uncover more clues and theories about the origins of our universe. Until then, let's keep exploring the wonders and mysteries of the universe together. Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Are you ready for a wild ride through the universe? Let's talk about the Big Bang. This explosion wasn't your typical chemical reaction, but a massive release of energy that happened about 13.8 billion years ago. It was like the universe hit the on button, and everything started to take shape. Imagine all the matter and energy in the universe squeezed into a tiny, super hot and dense space. Then kaboom! It expanded and cooled, creating space and time. That's how it all began. But wait, there's more. As the universe continued to expand and cool, particles like protons, neutrons, and electrons formed. These guys eventually combined to form atoms, which combined to form stars and galaxies. It's like the universe was one giant baking project, and everything started with the right ingredients and a massive explosion. Speaking of galaxies, they're massive systems of stars, planets, gas, and dust. They were formed through the combination of gravity and the matter and energy released during the Big Bang. At first, the universe was filled with a hot, dense, and evenly distributed gas of hydrogen and helium atoms. But as the universe expanded, the gas cooled and clumps began to form due to the force of gravity. These clumps grew and merged, forming the first protogalaxies. As they continued to merge and accrete matter, they became more massive and developed into the galaxies we see today. Now let's talk about stars. They're not just little twinkling lights in the sky. They're formed through a process known as stellar nucleosynthesis. It's like a star's own personal baking recipe. It starts with a molecular cloud, which is a dense region of gas and dust in space. If the cloud is disturbed, it can collapse under its own gravity, becoming more dense and hot. At the center, nuclear fusion reactions occur, converting hydrogen into helium and releasing a ton of energy. This is the birth of a new star. As the protostar accretes matter from the surrounding cloud, it becomes a glowing protostar. The surrounding gas and dust form a disk called a protoplanetary disk, which eventually gives rise to planets and other objects. As the protostar continues to shrink and heat up, it becomes a full-fledged star. It will continue to shine brightly for billions of years, until it exhausts its fuel and eventually dies. Who knew the universe was such a baking project? It all started with the right ingredients and a massive explosion. Hey there, space enthusiasts. Are you ready for a cosmic adventure? Buckle up and get ready to explore the vast universe with me. First stop, our very own solar system. That's right, we're going to take a closer look at the sun and all the planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other cool stuff that orbit around it. Did you know that the Sun contains more than 99% of the total mass of our solar system? That's a lot of star power. Speaking of star power, scientists have discovered thousands of solar systems beyond our own, using super cool methods like the transit method and radial velocity method. These exoplanetary systems are totally different from ours, ranging in size and composition, and some could even have life. In fact, it's estimated that there could be billions of solar systems in our Milky Way galaxy alone, and even more throughout the universe. The hunt for exoplanets and the study of their properties is a super hot topic in astronomy, and we can't wait to see what new discoveries await us in the future. But let's not forget about our own solar system. Did you know that the planets in our solar system formed from a protoplanetary disk surrounding the young Sun about 4.6 billion years ago? That's ancient history. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gather round, and let me tell you a story about the most amazing planet in the universe, Earth. Picture a blue-green marble spinning gently in the vast expanse of space. This planet is our home, and it's unlike any other place in the universe. Earth is a world of incredible diversity, from the towering mountains to the endless oceans, from the lush forests to the barren deserts. It's a place where life flourishes in all its forms, from the tiniest microbes to the largest mammals. But Earth is not just a pretty place to look at, it's a world of constant change and dynamism. It's a place where the forces of nature are always at work, from the powerful movements of the tectonic plates to the ever-changing weather patterns. And yet, amidst all this chaos, humans have made their mark on the planet as well. We've built towering cities and engineered incredible feats of technology. We've explored the deepest oceans and the farthest reaches of space. So come with me, my friends, and let's explore the wonders of Earth together. Let's discover the hidden secrets of this incredible planet and marvel at the incredible diversity of life that calls it home. From the deepest jungles to the highest peaks, Earth is a world of endless wonder and amazement. So join me on this journey, and let's explore the incredible planet we call home. So what are you waiting for? Keep your eyes on the sky and stay tuned for more out-of-this-world adventures. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date on our latest projects. The universe is waiting for us. We'll be exploring more exciting topics in science, technology, and yes, we will also explore the great battles and historical events, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thank you for watching.